And hello there again, my fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is a PBandai exclusive. What we have here is the RG Strike Rouge plus IWSP, which is our mobile suit. Yes, this was shown in Gundam Seed. And now you're wondering why this also has an HG. So, the Strike Rouge here is an RG. It's a recolor of the L Strike, but the IWSP is an HG, which came from the MSV01, which is also the same Strike Rouge plus IWSP, just only in HG. So that's what you can see in the box art. Pink or Rouge, because this is piloted by Kagali Atla, Nokia sister. And off to the side, yes, it's just a name, Strike Rouge plus IWSP. And same on the other side. Now let's take a look, see what's inside the box. So first off, we see here, I think this will be parts of the IWSP with the stickers here. And I think this is some connectors to make it compatible, I guess. Next bag, still I think parts of the IWSP here. Some dry transfers uh, to the other bag. So I think this is already still part of the IWSP here, but these are already, I think, parts for the Strike Rouge. Yep. And yes, the dreaded frame, the dreaded RG frame, it still uses it, unfortunately. Another bag here, and some more bags here. More parts for the RG L Strike, which is now colored as Rouge. And same thing here. And of course, the instruction manuals. As you can see, we have here an instruction manual, which is again the L Strike Gundam, which is actually the same one with with the L Striker, but this just came with just a Strike Gundam painted in Rouge color. And then here we have the instruction manual in how to assemble the IWSP. And as you can see, yes, it is still in HG form. Now let's take a look individually at the sprues. Okay, so first off, we have the A sprue here, which is, colored to the L Strike but Rouge colors. Yeah, so this is still from the RG line. With, some parts are missing because this is only just for the L Strike against the Strike Rouge. We have the B sprue here, which is the staple before, having the inner frame, the dreaded inner frame. Yeah, we have the C sprue here, which I guess is the same as Strike. Yeah. We also have a D1 again from the Strike, and a D2 sprue here. Yep. But painted in Rouge colors. Then here comes a part for the IWSP, which is the E, and as you can see here, 144 HG. Yeah, HG. So IWSP is HG, and then that was the D. Oh yeah, that's what the E for the IWSP, and this is the E for the Strike Rouge. Again, this is the RG 1/144. Zoom in, focus. Yeah, so that's the E there. And then back to an HG, which is again approximation F for the IWSP, and then back to another F for the RG this time, and we have a G still. Now this is for the RG here, yep. And an H, which is for the IWSP part. And of course, we have some ABS plastics, which is for the joints. And yep, again, they bought in the stickers from the IWSP from the MSB01, and of course the dry transfer seals from the L Striker here. And there you have it, Ganda fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of this PBandai RG plus HG Strike Rouge plus IWSP. So, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing the video, sharing the videos, liking them, commenting, and until next time, see you and thank you.